Sad day today, boys. Oh, the mountains in Mexico are no joke. Let me show you guys what happened. Nothing crazy. Go cop the homie sticker. Look at that. What the fuck? Dude, yeah. It sucks. I love it. That's my mood right now. That's not even the worst part. Let me show you the back. That exhaust was pointing this way. It's way over here now. Damn, these IGzz blast pipes are fucking bent. Look at that puncture. Sucks. But thanks to Wolfrain, they sourced me a tank and we're ready to swap. So this is gonna be a how-to of how to swap your S13 gas tank. Never done it? Works the same, taking out your filler neck or your fuel pump, your sending unit and that shit. So I'm gonna learn today. Fuck it, let's start. I'm guessing I take these off. These look like 8s. Brake cleaner. Yeah, just wiggle them back and forth. They should break loose. Unless you have a rusty ass car, then good luck. Usually just push this forward. Yup. Check it out. Boom. Alright, now let's just loosen these. Bro, these are small as bolts. They're actually that small. The fuck? I swear I thought I stripped them all. Yeah, maybe don't use the gun just because they're so tiny. You could strip them. Finesse that fuel pump out. So, we gotta lift it up, take up the exhaust, and loosen up the filler neck. Man, there's a little bit of fucking damage right here. I mean, a lot. Have to take this plastic to uncover the filler neck, and I can see the bolts for the straps, one here and one on that side right there. Doesn't look too bad. I'm not sure if I have to take this off, but we'll see. Let's see how bad this exhaust is. Like beat up. Bruh. Look how bad that is. It crumbled right there. It like overlapped. Looks like my stomach, my lonjas. Those hangers are not supposed to be that bent. I think I could cut it and still repair it, but I gotta get a good welder that knows how to. I think this is stainless steel, so that is a bad one. Yup, that's from the hanger. I gotta figure out a way to make the hanger better. I didn't know that was possible, but hey, you learn. So maybe you could put the hanger at the top so it doesn't, if it happens again, because I want to run blast pipes again, but I just don't want the hanger to do that again. I'll wait for the homies to come through. They're gonna help me take the tank down so I don't drop it on myself. While I wait till they show up, I'm gonna go check the damage on the front bumper. Hope it's not too crazy. Worse than I thought. I did hit pretty bad. I don't think the weld broke here, but did chip the paint. It's a little bent right here. I wonder if I could just loosen these bolts and then lift it back up a bit, because this does look a lot lower than usual. But this right here, it was already bending, and Jukus go this way. I don't know about street faction. I think it so you don't have to cut a lot on your bumper. Could have been a lot worse. It just bent this little mounting points right here on both sides. I could bend that back. You see right there? That used to be flat on the jack. Definitely bent, not too crazy, but my frame is not damaged, which is good. All right, all done. Nasty ass tank is out. Just a little rusty right here, nothing crazy, but this one is cleaner than that, which is crazy. That's it, that's holding the tank, just these two straps. The two bolts over there that you have to take off, one's cool, the other side is like, if the subframe was lower, it would have been easier, but damn, that was a bitch. Took my time though. Got done. The homies are almost here, even though it's hella late. They're helping our boy David swap a tranny out, but I think it's ready now. See if they bring it. They're getting all excited over Subies. Look at them.
My clutch didn't change at all today.
You gonna get it Subi?
No.
No.
My car came with a lightweight flywheel.
Oh, did it?
Brand new clutch.
Oh. Look at that. He brought.
For the motor I bought for $300. It came with a lightweight flywheel, brand new clutch. Probably worth $300 right there.
Brand new fucking Zenki back.
I didn't down you.
It's back. How long has it been since you haven't drove it?
Couple months.
Oh, fuck. You're the real drifter. You got Crocs out here. Look at him. Look at him. 240 owners. Happy on a Subi.
Yeah,
look at him.
Listen to him. Listen to him.
No, they're uneven. Like, are they supposed to be like that?
Yeah, it's heel toe. They literally made it so you can go. You can go.
Toge master over here.
You feel it?
It's hella low, huh?
The seat.
Yeah,
I like
it's
it.
chill. I like it too, cause it's hella comfy too.
No,
And I try to put on the 240, but it's too big. And well, you want the S13 seat?
I was like, should I put it just like it's like
You want
a
it?
little dog it a little bit? You can dog it with those seats.
That you can't at all?
When I dog the car, I turn with the car.
Oh, they're real. He breaks it. It's pretty stock. From Japan, shit. It's stock.
This one, what year is this?
01. No, radio for the turbo.
Well,
Okay.
I mean, if you think about it, it's because these motors are like.
Damn, that's a banger right there, dog.
That shit looks sick, though.
Thank you.
Go follow him.
Him?
Drop the bangers. Look at him. What song is that?
Music Lost by Cali Lifestyle.
That shit was bad. S13's grip, dude. Like, they grip better than those.
Yeah, what was it?
Those
You said our
S13s.
subframes are lower to the ground.
There's way
Gives us more
better
power.
geometry and then less like
Like mine.
yeah, and it doesn't compress a lot. It didn't crack though. That's good as ISR right there. You want it? It's hella bad.
I just want the tip.
You want the bumper?
Yeah. What about the bumper?
You can make it an Zenki.
No, like, give the bumper to the cousin.
I was thinking of zip tying it all together.
Is it out? Is this one it?
Yeah,
He said, fuck these kids.
I tried. Yeah, I mean I dropped it, but the other one is not too bad. I had to put these on. I had to put this one on, but this one's a little harder to put back in.
His exhaust that kinked, it went in there.
Pushed it and it went in there and it gashed it. That's crazy. They're metal, so it takes pretty good impact. Peace.
McDonald's.
Yeah. Back to Oaktown.
Hey, drive safe. Don't take corners too hard. You'll fly out.
His fucking seat. By Zenki. That's alive now. Can't wait to see what's inside. Damn, Project Mew.
D1 spec.
Ooh, look at that.
What'd you
What's in
get? What'd you
there?
get? What? What'd you get? Grab it.
What's in there?
Capper.
What the?
What?
Dump it. Dump it. What's it? What? What? What the fuck, man?
Yeah.
Here's the real one.
There you go.
Oh, psych.
Got him. Ooh, look at these. I don't even know if they fit.
They look like this.
They're for S14. You know what that means? It's for me.
Ooh, let's find out.
Oh yeah. Gas tanks in.
Oh yeah. Gas tank's in. Thanks to the homies. They help. Look at that stupid ass grommet. But ooh, Nissan. That's how I fill up.
Straight through there.
My fuel pump is inside my engine.
Yeah.
Internal fuel cell.
Internal fuel cell. Shout out to the homies, they help.
Barely.
Midnight gas swap.
So that
Yeah. Siphoned it all by hand.
Yep, by mouth.
Whoa.
He's like,
Why don't you swap those cams out?
the get-go.
Yeah?
Let's go listen.
Let's go listen to the cams.
Let's take a gander.
Not exhaust leak. Relax.
Damn, okay.
You get a turbo screw? Do it again.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Hold on.
Damn.
Show them the extra cam.
Oh shit! Damn, bro, you're
Turn it off.
two cams. That fool is on the floor. Sheesh.
He said the floor's on me.
Damn. Thanks for helping out, guys. Hella late. Midnight workers out here.
Still gonna stay up till like 6 a.m.
I know. Who sleeps nowadays? It's COVID. I've never pulled a fuel tank before, but there, now you know how to do it. Kinda. Ish. Tutorial? Midnight tutorial?
Yup.
Yeah. Dress fixes at midnight.
I mean,
We out? Mexico? But don't damage your 240s. I'm gonna take the GC. All-wheel drive. All grip. Initial D. We out. Peace. Till the next one.
Dude, my car really fucking died.